To use RAM extension on the Redmi Note 14S, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to go into the settings, and from here you have to scroll all the way down and go for the additional settings. From here you have to scroll down again, and right here you can find the memory extension. Let's tap on this one, and here there are like 4 different options. You can disable the memory extension completely, or you can extend your RAM memory by 4 GB, 6 GB or 8 GB. And here you have the description that to create additional RAM memory, the storage will be occupied, and this feature can be only used when there's enough storage space available on your device. So now all you simply have to do is just select any of these amount that you'd like to have, and then press this button to reboot your device to apply the changes. Additionally, you can check your RAM memory RAM storage by pressing this menu button right here, or recents button, and here you will be able to see that you have 8 GB plus 4 GB available. These 4 GB are from this RAM extension, and actually to be able to see this RAM status in the recents menu, you will have to go for the settings, and then you'll have to go for the navigations and status bar, I believe. I'm not sure, probably somewhere here, or in the home screen. As you go in the home screen, you will be able to go for the arrange items in recents, and here there's the button to show memory status. And yeah, so that's basically how you can do this.